So guys, I received another box, so I will open. And this is a heavy dose, and I just want to capture the video. See that I have an evidence that this product this Windows price is 4,500. So I'm just Windows. What is it? This is the enclosure to the package list. Extra carbon brush, Allen key, manual, chisel again. Hello guys, this is an update for this 12,000 watts inverter. The surge power and the continuous power is 6,000 watts, and this is my solar charge controller, AC meter reading monitor and DC meter reading monitor, and this is the ATS main circuit breaker, and this is also an AC meter reading. The switch button that I can turn off and on the inverter, the exhaust fan from the inverter running. That means it reaches to the ideal Celsius that can activate the exhaust fan. I had something to try. A heavy duty tools, 1600 watts. This is it, 1600 watts, 1.6 kilowatts. The light is on. Means it's connected to the power source. Running. It's too strong. The wattage is